This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Symphony Sumo 75 XL air cooler. First, position your cooler near an open window to ensure proper ventilation for effective cooling. Next, fill the generous 75-liter water tank. You can use the easy fill pipe or manually pour water. Remember to always disconnect the power cord before filling. This cooler is also compatible with sine wave inverters for continuous comfort. The Symphony Sumo 75 XL boasts powerful features for your comfort. Its iPure technology includes multi-stage filters that combat pollution and reduce allergens, providing fresh air. High-efficiency honeycomb pads ensure superior and consistent cooling. You can easily adjust the airflow with 3 fan speeds, and the automatic vertical louver movement distributes cool air evenly across rooms up to 400 square feet. To get the most from your Sumo 75 XL, consider adding ice cubes to the ice chamber for an extra cool breeze. Always ensure good ventilation by keeping doors and windows open, which is crucial for evaporative coolers. This efficient unit consumes only around 190 watts, comparable to 2 fans, making it energy-friendly. The convenient water level indicator helps you monitor the 75-liter tank, ensuring continuous cooling. Proper maintenance ensures your Symphony Sumo 75 XL performs efficiently for years. Regularly clean the 75-liter water tank to prevent bacterial growth and odors. Rinse the honeycomb pads weekly to remove dust and mineral deposits, allowing them to dry completely before reinstallation. Wipe the exterior and louvers with a damp cloth. Remember to drain all water before storing the cooler to maintain its condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.